Yeah, well, we've already covered this one. So how to set it up, right? So you can go, if you're an admin, you can go to settings and taxonomy and then change it from there. Something else actually to help you plan. The same overview that I just showed you, you can actually download as a template. So we've created a presentation that's, anyone can go there as a viewer. So if you open it up, it looks like this. And then here, what you can do is, you see all the different specific tags for journeys, opportunities, and solutions. With our sort of first suggestion on how to use them. But of course, you can go here and like customize it any way you want. And the same goes for the global tags. So these are just some options that we have that you can use. But also here, feel free and go wild on the different types of tags that fit your organization and create the types of cross sections that you need. So yeah, if you want to download this, just go to File, Download, and you should be able to select any of these formats. And then from there, yeah, you can customize, implementing your own presentations, etc.